Hey, welcome back. So this is how I stretch my hair without heat. I just bring it all up to the top of my head in a ponytail and I twist it, and usually once it's dry it's really stretched, but my hair is still damp in this video and I had somewhere to be, so I actually blow dried it the rest of the way so that I could speed up the process. And I was shook at this length, y'all. I was shook. So I'm gonna use the Creme Natural Coconut Milk Curl Cream that I didn't have any more of, so that was great. But I made it work. So that's just olive oil that I'm using to put all through my hair, and then I'm going to section it off, detangle each section, and get ready to blow dry it. So I just repeated that on all the sections, and this is the finished blowout. And I was shook. I was like, who ain't got no hair? Because I got some hair. Look at all this hair. Yes. I was really like shook though. I was like, WTF. So I'm just going to start sectioning it off, and I'm going to start braiding. So I am doing them kind of chunky. I don't like to do small braids. I like the way it looks better with chunky braids. And I'm going to braid all the way to the end. And then when I get to the end, I'm going to add some curl cream. And I decided to add gel. I'll show that. And just make sure you two-strand twist the end and then twirl it around your finger to get a nice curl when you take it down. So I'm using a wet Line Xtreme Gel. I got it from Target. Y'all, it was $3. I'm gonna put this on all my ends. Okay, so when I finished, I ended up having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 braids I think I had. I'm just going to oil my scalp, and I'll put oil on the braids, and make sure you add some oil to the ends. And then I'm going to put a bun on and let this sit for a few hours. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put the bun over my whole head. That works. But yeah, I just make sure that none of the braids are bent up underneath my bun because I hate whenever my braids get bent and then you take them down and it's like sticking up all weird and crazy. If you know, then you know. So I'm gonna put oil on my hands and I'm gonna take them down, and I already got some freaking oil on my makeup, so I'll fix that real quick. But yeah, I'm gonna just unravel the end real careful and then just pull. So I love undoing braid outs because it's so easy. All you have to do is unravel the end and then you just pull and it kind of unravels itself. So just be real careful and do it like that. So now I'm just going to separate very gently, just kind of pull the my hair apart a little bit. So you kind of want to just pull it apart where it naturally wants to separate, like where it's already kind of spacing, and don't force it. So some of them I didn't even go all the way down to the end. I just kind of pulled it a little bit. Be real careful and don't do it too much because it'll ruin you. I always make that mistake. Okay, girl, it's cute. It's cute. Okay, what's next? You gonna pick it? Okay, so pick it a little bit. Add a little bit of volume all over. Not too much. Just in your roots. Alright, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Check the description box. Enjoy these slow-mos. I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.